Alright, so this is going to be video 7 of our parametric and polar review. We're going to be focusing on derivatives with polar. So we have our equation here, r equals 4 sine theta. We want to find dy dx at theta equals pi over 3. Okay, so first off, we need to know our equation for finding the derivative of a polar equation. Okay, now I've showed you how to do this before. Okay, I've showed you how this is actually from product rule and all that stuff, but I'll just write down the equation now. Dy dx is equal to dr d theta times sine theta plus r cosine theta over dr d theta cosine theta minus r sine theta. Okay, so what do we need to find here? Well, we can find our dr d theta, and that's really it. Okay, if we find dr d theta, that is going to be, well, that's the derivative of that. That's just going to be 4 cosine theta. Okay, so what you're going to end up with is that dy dx equals 4 sine theta cosine theta plus our r is 4 sine theta, and we know we have to multiply by a cosine theta there too. Now we have a dr d theta, again, we know that is 4 cosine theta. We have another cosine theta there, so this is going to become cosine squared theta. And then we have a minus r sine theta. That will just become a minus 4 sine squared theta. And we have a d theta. Well, we don't have a d theta here. Nope. Okay. We can simplify this a little bit further. Okay, we get dy dx is going to be equal to 8 sine theta cosine theta over, this now becomes just a 4 cosine of 2 theta. Okay, that's just a double angle identity, which we can further simplify to be sine theta, 2 sine theta actually, 2 sine theta cosine theta over cosine of 2 theta. Now what is 2 sine theta cosine theta? Well, that's our double angle for sine, right? So we're actually going to get a sine of 2 theta, which actually ends up giving us tangent of 2 theta, and that is our derivative. Okay, so yeah, there's your dy dx. Now we can just plug in pi over 3 and then find our answer. Okay, so we get equals tangent of 2 pi or 2 theta. That's going to be just 2 pi over 3. Okay, now what is tangent of 2 pi over 3? Well, that's the same thing as saying tangent of 120. Okay, since tangent is going to be negative in the second quadrant, we're going to get a negative answer. And if we put 120 into the first quadrant, we get 60. So tangent of 60, what's that? That's rad 3. So our answer here is going to be negative rad 3. And that is going to be our derivative. Okay, so basically just plugging into this formula right here. If you can do that, then you're golden. Okay, then that's it. That's all you need to do. Okay, so that's going to do it for this video.
So if this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe by clicking my icon in the top left. You can also view the playlist for parametric and polar in the next video in the series. See you soon.